In the bustling street, two friends spot each other from afar, beaming with joy as they speed up to share an epic high five. Just as their palms are about to collide, one of them suddenly slips on an unexpected puddle, sending him sliding uncontrollably into a nearby fruit stand. Bananas, apples, and oranges comically scatter everywhere, creating a fruity chaos around a bewildered crowd. The friend stumbles to his feet, covered in fruit bits, hands on his hips, grinning sheepishly at his buddy. In a surprising turn, the second friend, trying to help, dramatically slips on a wayward banana peel, reigniting the laughter. As both friends recover, chuckling, they finally nail that high five amidst the laughter, with passers-by joining in the fun.